Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw XRP from your Tangem wallet to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your XRP holdings quickly and securely, this guide is perfect for you. With the crypto landscape evolving, we'll stick to the latest best practices to ensure a smooth transfer. First things first, why do this? Uphold offers easy access to your funds for trading or spending, while Tangem Wallet keeps your assets super secure. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app on your device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. This helps avoid any glitches. Once in, navigate to your XRP account. You'll see your balance right there. Step 2. Select the withdraw or send option. Double-check that you're choosing XRP specifically, as wallets handle multiple assets. Now, generate or copy your withdrawal address. Pro tip: always verify this address to prevent any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Head over to your Uphold account. Log in securely and go to the deposit section. Look for XRP in the list of supported assets. Paste the address you copied from Tangem, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Make sure the details match, then hit confirm. You'll get a transaction confirmation on your Tangem wallet. Approve it to initiate the transfer. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on the XRP network speed in 2025. Once it's done, you'll see your XRP in Uphold. Awesome job! A quick safety reminder: use two-factor authentication everywhere and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, reach out to support from both platforms. There you have it, a simple way to withdraw XRP in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and keep building your crypto knowledge. Thanks for watching.